This term in Creative Clinics, we've had the option to do a variety of subjects, such as coding and visual arts. One of the subjects I chose was movie making. During movie making, we created two main movies. The first movie was a documentary style movie on Uluru. The second movie was a lot of fun because we got to write, direct and star in our own news segments, reporting on the news, sports and weather. I'm looking forward to taking part in the other creative clinics for the rest of the term and beyond.
Thanks, Cindy, for that. I hope you're alright. And thank you for watching the news.